Okay, so it wants me to choose my field type. Okay, I've got all these different choices of data type. What's going on?
So it's pretty overwhelming, the different field types at first, because there's so many. But really the most important thing to note is that you just want to be able to pick the field type that's closest to whatever type of field you're trying to track.
Okay, so if we're doing a start date, is date good?
Date sounds great.
Okay. Then next, I guess. Okay, field label. I'm gonna go with start date.
Sounds good. This is what you're going to see on that page that we were just on as a little label for this field.
Okay, and what's the difference between that and the name?
The field name is the actual API name that it stores in the database. So that just needs to be a unique value.
Is that for like if you're gonna do some coding stuff?
Any sort of code, or maybe some formulas like we'll go build later.
Okay. So description, is this, I guess I should fill this out, right? The date the festival starts. What's help text or?
If it's, I guess, a field that people don't really understand, you can add that little help text so they can get more details about it.
Pretty clear, okay. All right, I'm not gonna make this a required value. Sometimes you have festivals that maybe you don't know the date yet or something, so.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Oh my goodness, more checkboxes.
Yeah, so this wizard really takes us through every sort of aspect that you might need to consider around building a field. In this case, again, it's asking us about security. So if we were trying to build private fields, we could then associate, hey, we only want to make this visible to certain profiles.
Okay.
I know it's a lot of jargon to begin with right now, but all you really need to know is every user that lives within your Salesforce organization is associated with some security profile. So you can turn fields on and off for individual people if you want.
And for now, we can just
leave it at default. Yeah, it's just us. The last step of the process, do we want to add it to a page layout? So really all this means is, do you want to put this field onto the page automatically? So that form we were just on where we saw cloud stock, last modified by, created by, it's adding it into that layout.
Oh yeah, I totally want that. Okay,
Yeah.
good. So check, save. All right,
All right.
now we've got our festival custom object and we've got a custom field that says start date.
Right.
That's cool.
What we're looking at right now is the setup screen for our object itself. We can see the standard fields, so those are the things that we saw automatically already, and then we can add more custom fields or any sort of customization around our custom object here.
Okay, I guess it makes sense to add an end date next.
Yeah, so let's just keep going down the line and adding more fields.